Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create a schedule for Levoit Core 300S. To do this we'll need to pair the air conditioner with our app, and I've shown you how to do that in my previous video. Now let's click on a schedule, then select this plus button. You'll be able to adjust the schedule settings. So for example, pick an hour. Let's make it start at 15:35. We can repeat it once or weekly. And here, if you choose weekly, you can choose pick which days it will work with. Let's go with once, and then turn the device on. Mode we can adjust between auto, low, medium, high, or sleep. And when you go with auto or anything between the low, mid, or high, or sleep without sleep, then you'll be able to turn on or off a display LED lamps. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.